today, day 1, Laughlin Desert Challenge with Best in the Desert. Casey just went off the starting line a couple minutes ago. Had a good start, and hopefully he's still out front. We're standing here in pit row. Hopefully we don't see him and he just drives right by us. Hopefully, great start to a beautiful weekend. So here at Laughlin, the race course itself is only 14 miles long, so that leaves us with a very small pit access to the race course. So the trucks will be coming in here, and we have the truck stage here with really everything that we can do for Casey in such a closed circuit style desert race, right? So we're not going to be doing big overhauls, gear change, transmission, none of that stuff. It's going to be anything that we can do in a split second to get him back on the race course, and that's going to be mostly just a belt or a tire. Anything other than that is really outside our comprehension for this style of a race. I mean, we bring more to other races, but for this one, small pit zone and just the necessities to get him back on the track. And we have that here with 2 of our other technicians. As you can see, they're having a great time. But we're loaded up with impacts, spare tools, spare tires, all the necessary fluids to keep this thing going. But the one thing with this race being that it's so tight and so competitive, this is only a 14-mile race course, that if anything were to really happen today, we don't have the ability to, 1, drive on the race course to go get him those parts. He has to meet us here in the close hot pit section of this. So if anything really happens today, it's kind of a day ender. And that's what we're hoping against. I mean, luckily we have great guys that work on this car year round. It's their bread and butter. They're very skilled technicians. But if anything were to happen today, it basically is just a day ender with how intense and of a sprint this race is set up to be. Casey came by, lap 1, smooth, no issues. Got a couple passes in off the bat, so that's a great start to lap 1. Tracking down lap 2, and hopefully he keeps going. Finish lap 5, no issues. Lap 2, physical position 6, which for him, coming by lap 1 was in 9th, making up some passes. He went by us, radio silent. No news is good news for us, so that just means he's plugging away, counting down the laps, and we're expecting him here in just the next 5 minutes, completing lap 3, hopefully another position ahead of time. And we're just going to keep going, seeing how the day goes. But as of right now, it's a clean, smooth race.
On course right now, looking pretty good, headed out on the 5th lap, and we're hoping to get him into 3rd place so we can get a better starting position tomorrow. And we're just kind of packing up, getting out of here, gonna go load up and go get in the river.
Yeah, so you went out on this 5th lap. There's nothing much we can do here at Hot Pit. It sounds like we're either 3rd or 4th, which is a great start for the weekend. It's nice to have the thing go sailing through the 5 laps because it's really, really rough out. This is probably roughness per mile the roughest race course we run. Our goal out here was just to basically put miles on the car more. We have some new parts in it that we're testing for King of the Hammers, different front CVs, different front axles. We changed our whole gear package in the transfer case front rear differentials. There's a different front locker.
How we doing, Ray?
Good. The leader just stopped, so it happened, but looks like we had a good day.
Yeah.
And, well, currently in 3rd place with a couple minutes.
Here comes Paul Herschel.
A couple minutes to gain for tomorrow, but I think we're in good shape.
If he gets to start 3rd,
he'll get to start in the first group of 4, which really helps out in the dust. And plus, he'll know his way around the course already. So.
Yeah.
I thought he was driving a little tentative today. I think he's got more left.
Yeah.
So I think
Let's
he
see
was-
what his lap time was on that lap.
Either he didn't trust the car, or
No,
he was just.
his lap time was slower in that lap by a minute. Over lap.
Really?
The fourth lap was his best lap.
How you feeling, Casey?
Oh, good.
It's looking like third.
That was just dusty all day. Never saw anything but dust.
How'd the truck feel?
She's good. She's okay. Glove.
Yeah.
She's good.
All right, you good?
Oh, sorry. Was I supposed to? Oh, you can go.
Team Currie, day 2 here at the Laughlin Desert Challenge. Had a great start. I mean, realistically, we spent a good amount of last night just getting the car buttoned up, put back together, going through all the systems, all of our due diligence that we do. He had a couple things that he wanted to change going into today. Just preference for the track. You know, we weren't expecting it to be as rough as it was yesterday, so as of last night, made a lot of changes. So excited coming into today's race, but had a great start, got to race mile 9, and we get a phone call from Casey, which is not what you want to hear in the middle of a race. So got the phone call that the car shut off. Going through all the data right now, trying to figure out what could that possibly have been. Not sure if it was an electronic systems, where the mishap was. So we got our guys right now just going through the data on it, trying to figure out what it is. But as of right now, it's not looking too hot. Other than that, we're just going to wait to hear from track crew, figure out where our car is, and if we can at least get to them and keep those guys, you know, cool down and out of the desert. Right now, it's looking like that's the wrap of day 2 here at Laughlin for Team Currie.
All right. Day is done a little early. Bummed to say the least, but I think we got a lot figured out. I'm happy with the changes we made, but something let go. So gotta go back, figure out what it was. So disappointed to say the least, but the guys did a great job with the prep, and you know the trophy jeep was happy. So hammer time. So let's get back, get focused, and we'll stay ready for hammers. I'm Casey Currie. Thank you for watching. Now comment below. Tell us what you like. Tell us what you don't like. Subscribe right here. Watch more videos here. Thank you guys.